like a nice stream out there. English Creek Road. There it is. Got him on a soft tackle. Look at that. You don't drop
I got a brown trout.
On a soft tackle too. Right over there. Plus we caught 2 others out of that little spot. Got him on a little soft tackle. What did you catch him on?
I got a waka.
It's the willy bugger. There you go. Oh, she's got one. She got one.
Did you see that?
No, what happened?
Did you see that?
No, what happened?
You took my hook.
You took your hook.
That was a big one. That was a giant one.
It was giant.
Yeah, did you see it? Oh my God, you took my hook. Look, that was big.
It broke your hook? It broke your line?
Huh?
It broke your line?
Yes, look at that. It took my boat. It was big.
Look what she caught him on. She caught him on. Yeah.
Neat.
Hold him still. Hold him still. There he goes. There he goes. It's a good spot over there. Come back here! Come back here! Come back here!
Where are you going? Get your net! Get your net! Hey, get your net! What's wrong with you? Get your net! You're so fun!
Chased the fish all the way down the river about as far as Bridle Rapids way down there. And then I finally netted the fish. I lifted him out of the water. It was a big brown trout, about 15 inches. Biggest fish I hooked in a long, long time. And then the fish jumped out of the net back into the river and swam away. That's what happened in that scene. So now I've got to catch another one. Caught a big fish. Let's see this thing. Oh, caught him on the pin sniff again.
Yeah,
See that?
it's yummy, yum. I gotta even hold with my 2 hands. It's a brook trout.
Rainbow trout.
Looks like a brook trout.
Diane just caught a fish on the, let's see what she caught it on. She caught it on the pheasant tail. Look at that. Ken's got on the big one. Who is that guy? The big one. Go chase him, go chase him. Go downstream and pull him that way. Go downstream and pull him over. There you go. There you go. It's a nice one. Hey, caught me a nice little brown trout on the woolly bugger. Very nice place for nice rapids up there. And a little hole over here. And those two pull downstream. Very good place to go fishing. Okay. And here's the river she was fishing in. What'd you catch him on?
My little golden one.
Beathead?